Welcome back, Smart Manufacturing 4IR News. It's October 16, Wednesday. We're kicking off a whole bunch of things that have been going on over the last week, starting with improved manufacturing process being looked at for solid drugs. Then we got Smart Factory come together on IBM and Panasonic. We're looking at an AI factory of the future. We got a whole bundle of MES new releases. Siemens doing a deal with Scanfil, and B&R Simulation pulling in from the CAD. And then a little bit from Tetrapack on the i4 and a few things but thrown in between. See you in a second. Welcome back. It is a consortium between CPI and the University of Strathclyde aims to create a drug compression platform for continuous manufacturing of oral solid drugs. The project, known as Grand Challenge 1, is led by the Center for Process Innovation, the CPI, a non-profit organization, together with funding from GSK, AstraZeneca, and UK Research and Innovation. The idea is to maximize process control over traditional manufacturing methods through the development of continuous direct compression platform, enabling oral solid dosage medicines to be formulated more robustly and efficiently. Next up, IBM Japan and Panasonic Smart Factory Solutions Company have announced that the companies have agreed to collaborate to develop and market a new high value added system to optimize the overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, of customers' semiconductor manufacturing processes and to realize high quality manufacturing. Panasonic currently develops and markets edge devices, improving semiconductor manufacturing of advanced packaging. These new devices and methods include dry etching equipment, plasma dicers to produce high quality wafers, plasma cleaners that increase metal and resin adhesion, and high accuracy bonding devices. The expertise will be combined with IBM's techniques and technology that has developed semiconductor manufacturing to help Panasonic create far better smart factories of the future. So for a number of years now, industry thought leaders have been talking about the concept of an IT or software factory or software industrialization, in which code is produced in an automated building block effect. It's debatable whether the enterprises have been able to actually fully transform into software factories so far, but the idea moving away from handcrafted one-at-a-time applications and services to something more scalable has considerable merit and considerable demand. Now, there's talk of producing an AI factory. This involves industrializing data gathering, analytics, and decision-making to reinvent the core of the modern firm. The AI factory is the scalable decision engine that powers the digital operating model of a 21st century firm. Managerial decisions are increasingly embedded in software. The four essential components will be into building and operating similar. Such a factory would be shoring up the data pipeline, developing algorithms, adding a robust experimentation platform, and modernizing the software infrastructure. So showcasing this month, October 22-24 at Rosemont in Illinois at the Assembly Show will be Aegis's latest release of Factory Logics, their IoT-based MES platform. They will be showing advancements in the area of augmented reality, the factory optics, industrial Internet of Things, dynamic work instructions, and manufacturing intelligence, and will be one of the key stops for most people in the MES boom that continues today. So nice deal for Siemens under the Op Center brand, the new brand. They've bundled together all of their manufacturing, smart manufacturing solutions. They've just announced the deal they've done with Scanfil, which is an international contract manufacturer and system supplier out of Finland. The deal with Opcenter Execution Electronics is to improve manufacturing processes required to meet increasing customer demand and quality. So Scanfil is currently working through its first phase of implementation of the Siemens Opcenter solution and plans to complete it in early 2020 and follow up with a global rollout. Now, with this investment, Scanfil expects improved quality, productivity, and faster throughput across the entire value chain. Global implementation will ensure flexibility and visibility to operations worldwide. Nice deal for Opcenter. Infosys, booming, doing well, double-digit growth for the fourth consecutive quarter, coupled with a 1.2% operating margin expansion in Q2. According to Salil Parekh, CEO and MD, our performance was robust on multiple dimensions: revenue growth, digital growth, operating margins, operational efficiencies, large deal signings, and reduction in attrition. Q2 revenues grew actually year on year by 10%. So B&R, the simulation guys, has integrated the industrial physics simulation tool into its automation studio engineering environment. The 3D simulation software greatly simplifies model-based machine development. Developers can now import CAD data from machine comparison components or entire machines directly into the simulation tool. Then they can quickly and easily generate a digital twin for developing and testing the machine software. And then next up, eyelet. eyelet has announced highest revenue for the second quarter of 2019, with over 20% top-line revenue growth over its second quarter in 2018. Doing well. In fact, software license was increased by over 40% from the previous second quarter. Doing good, guys. According to tetrapack, Industry 4 is having a significant impact on the F&B sector. In fact, F&B is just starting this Industry 4 journey with some 20 to 40% uptake, according to them, as compared to others like oil and gas, which is over 80%, and automotive 45 to 60%. The three major benefits from Industry 4 that can be observed, especially for F&B producers, are flexibility, food safety, and quality and improved productivity. Let's talk about something a little different. Despite a typical fabricator's heavy reliance on machines, handheld tools, computers, and software manufacturing tends to be very, very people-orientated, I think we know. Many processes that turn raw materials into semi-finished or finished goods rely heavily on the skills, education, and expertise of the people involved. A purchasing agent orders material. When it arrives, inspectors verify that the material received is indeed the material that was ordered. Manufacturing engineers program a series of machines to cut, pierce, punch, notch, and bend the parts. Machine operators carry out the operations along with necessary material handling. Welders and other skilled personnel join the parts to create an assembly. Quality control inspectors measure key dimensions and do a visual check to verify the assembly conforms to the customer's order. Finally, packaging personnel pack it up and ship it out. For an order of 500 pieces, the staff repeats this process 499 times. Tectonics, a subsidiary of Quantum Digital Group, used to work exactly that way. However, by using the very latest available digital technology, the company put itself through a transformation that changed the way it did essentially everything. No longer a craft manufacturer, the company became a digital engineering and manufacturing company. It uses digital technology to coordinate all the facets of procurement, engineering, manufacturing, and assembly, and also has digitized the interfaces that facilitate client interactions. At the heart of Tectonics processes is a digital thread, a unique live data architecture that allows integration of advanced engineering systems automated for manufacturing, customer software, live sensors, and a platform in which algorithms and learning can be improved, integrated, and deployed. Impressive. Done. Industry 4. Last up, Acuity Brands has announced that C5MI, a Yash technology company and a leading business information technology consulting firm, has joined the Atrius IoT partner ecosystem. C5MI will be both a reseller and development partner, leveraging Atrius's location-based services to optimize its Industry 4 digital manufacturing software and services. That is it. Smart Manufacturing dedicated show. See you in a week's time when we're going to bundle it all up against tomorrow, automotive, and probably the Tesla show again, because there's so much news. See you then. Have a great day.